Hey guys, it's Jesse.Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 992 dry bath Arctic Fox. If you look at the front here on the Arctic Fox, it's got one whole piece all the way down the front, no seams. This one's got the big slide. Big slide. Got a little storage here on the side. If you look down here, you can see your valves are up out of the weather. Truly a Four Seasons camper. All the screwed in here, electric jacks. This one has an electric line off the back with the outside speakers and a backup camera, which is kind of nice. This one has a landing to get inside. You look over here, you got your disconnect, your generator. Come on inside here. It's got a big skylight above. This one has the oven. Microwave. Your air conditioning's above your head there. Lots of cabinets, lots of storage. Look up front here, this is the dry bath. This has the big refrigerator, the pull-out pantry on the side here. If you look up front, lots of cabinets up there, little ports to plug your phone in. You notice the ceiling's arched up there. LED light, speakers up there. Lots of room. And if you got any other questions, my number's on the screen. You can call me on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.